Welcome to the Black Phoenix Financial Podcast. Lee Kemp here for another week of financial learning. Of course, with Ethan Cope, the man with the silver hammer. How are you doing, my friend?
Doing good. Great to be with you.
Excellent, excellent. So, where are we this week?
Well, we've all heard that expression, the skills to pay the bills. We got to have the skills in order to pay the bills. And that's where we're at with trading. We've actually, up to this point, we've developed the skills. We have a very particular set of skills, like from that movie Taken.
Liam Neeson.
Yeah, that make us very dangerous for the market. And we can be dangerous to the market, or we can have a danger to ourselves. But fortunately, like Lee showed us, is that those few trades that he's made just early in his learning can very much be profitable trades. So in order to continue to develop those skills, we give our little 5-minute tidbit for you busy bees and you fast learners who have to learn on the fly. We'll call you weekend warriors in terms of trying to get an education. So the skills that we've already developed are actually enough to be consistently profitable. So for you weekend warriors, the thing to do now is to simply refine those skills. It does take the practice to get where you want to go. And while there's no magic pill or magic medicine that's going to get you, or education that's going to get you right up there like a rocket and suddenly you're a multimillionaire, there are shortcuts that having a mentor helps with. So while you can take a tidbit that we're giving you guys in 5 minutes to take something and solidify it in your mind and try to brush up on it on the week, one of the things you're going to want to do is, for those weekend warriors in your off time, say it be Saturday, say it's a few nights a week where you spend gaming or maybe drinking time with friends, to sit down and do some chart game like me and Lee are doing, to really get that practice in, because the skills to know what's right aren't enough. The skills to know what not to do is actually what you're going to learn in chart game. So for our 5-minute learners, I hope that you can take that little tidbit about skills and brushing up and taking what you've learned up to this point and then simply refining it with practice. So we're going to look at some of Lee's charts now, and we're going to continue to make some trades and build on what we covered last week regarding the key levels that we talked about 2 episodes ago, and then also the pay yourself idea. We're going to keep going with that.
Excellent stuff. Love it. So yeah, for you, the 5-minute learners out there, some great little tips there. If you want to know more about this, we expand on this for a full half hour. You're either on the show now, stick with us, or if you're on the quick 5-minute video, click for the longer video. You'll get a more detailed view on how you refine and use those skills. And as is the lesson I learned in lesson 1, it's all about that practice. We've got a suite. I think we're on our 12th lesson now. If you go back, if you do want to see this, as Ethan says there, we have now dished out enough information in 11 weeks to give you what you need to become a profitable trader. In a minute, we're going to click on, and I'm going to show you that I've done that in the last week. And I know I talk about it, and it is genuine. I knew nothing about trading before we started doing this. So there's some great lessons there. We will keep chucking out each and every week these little 5-minute videos and the longer ones as well. As I say, click on the longer video if you want to see it, if you've appreciated this, or you're with us on the longer video, you're in the right place now, and we're going to dive into those trades and start putting those skills into practice live, which, fingers crossed, does not go wrong. Don't forget, of course, check us out on social media. We are on Twitter at BP Financial Pods. Ethan is at T4A Phoenix. That's T4A PHENUX. appreciate all the support and the love going on social media for us as well.